Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the JavaScript in Google Chrome browser. So head over to Google Chrome browser and press three dots on top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. On the left tab, go to Privacy and Security. Go to bottom and press Site Settings and find the JavaScript menu. Okay. In JavaScript, there is two options. So if you want it to be enabled, just check this box. But if you want to disable the JavaScript, you need to select this option, second option. And you can exit the settings. It will save automatically. So this is a pretty straightforward process, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.